Students, today we'll start with a new exercise, that is 2.3 of the quadratic equation. Okay, we have the question x square plus 20 x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Okay, what is completing square? Completing square. See, if we have x square plus, or we can say x plus 3 the whole square. Okay, so what is the answer for x plus 3 the whole square? We have a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. So we have x square plus 6x plus 9. Okay, so I can say that x square plus 6x plus 9 can be written as square of something. Okay, so we need to use this technique we need to make the quadratic equation as a square of something, and that method is called as completing square method. Okay, I will tell you some steps, you should follow that steps, you will understand it properly. Okay, we have x square plus x minus 20. First of all, shift that minus 20 over there. Always before starting the question, see to it that coefficient of x square should be 1. Okay, coefficient of x square should be 1. So I can say that coefficient of x square is 1, therefore x square plus x. The very first step is shift minus 20 that side, that will be plus 20. Okay, now using completing square method, okay, see, now you are using completing square method, so x square plus x plus, I will write k over here. Okay, so after adding k, this will be the perfect square. Perfect square means what? It is x, in the middle term we have plus sign, plus, and we have a over here. Remember that a square is equal to k. Okay, what you need to remember? You need to remember that a square is equal to k. Okay, so this x square plus x plus k is equal to x plus a the whole square. If it was minus sign over here, I would have written minus a the whole square. Now x square plus x plus k, and this can be opened as x square plus 2ax plus a square. I told that a square and k is equal, so a square and k gets cancelled, x square and x square gets cancelled, we have x remaining over here and 2ax remaining over there. So I will need to find the value of a, so x upon 2x will come here. We have the value of a is 1 upon 2. Okay, value of a is 1 upon 2. Okay, so what is the value of k? K is a square, therefore k is equal to 1 upon 4. Okay, now when I will substitute x square plus x plus k means what? 1 upon 4 is equal to x plus, what is a? A is 1 upon 2, so 1 upon 2. See, x square plus x plus k over here, and we have x plus 2 the whole square. Okay, or I just see to it that 1 minute. We have the value of k and we have the value of a. So x square plus x plus k. What is the value of k? 1 upon 4. So we are adding 1 upon 4 on this side, as well as I will add 1 upon 4 on that side. That will be 20 plus 1 upon 4. Okay, now if you see to it properly, the question is unchanged. After this step, you see this step. Okay, minus 20 was shifted that side, and how can I understand it? What should I add to get the perfect square? So using this completing square method formula, I got that if I add 1 upon 4 on left side and right side, I can get it at perfect square. So this is a square of what? Basic x square. Basic form of x square is x. Basic form of 1 upon 4 is 1 upon 2, and this is written as whole square. And I will cross multiply it. We have 20 into 4, 80 plus 1 upon 4 Okay, so we have x plus 1 upon 2 the whole square is equal to 81 upon 4. Taking square root, x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 9 upon 2. Okay, so x is equal to 9 upon 2. As we are taking the square root, we will have plus or minus. Okay, so the value of x is plus 1 upon 2 plus 9 plus or minus 9 upon 2. So value of x is plus 9 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 will go there and become minus 1 upon 2, and value of x is minus 9 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. So value of x is, denominator is same, 9 minus 1 it is 8. We have x is equal to 4, and over here denominator is same, minus 2 minus 9 is minus 10. So its value will be minus 5. Okay, so value of x is 4 and the value of other x is minus 5. Okay, you might have some confusion after seeing the first sum. We will also solve the second sum. Okay, you will understand it properly. So we have x square plus 2x minus 5. First of all, we need to see that the coefficient of x square is 1. Minus 5 will go there. So x square plus 2x minus 5 will go there and become plus 5. Okay, so this is the step which we are going to use afterwards. Now using completing square method, means what we need to do is, what should we add over here so that I can get the perfect square. For that I am doing this completing square method. So x square plus 2x plus k, and this a perfect square can be written as x plus a the whole square, where a square is equal to k. So x square plus 2x plus k is equal to x square plus 2ax plus a square. So x square cancel, k and a square cancel. I have 2x is equal to 2ax, where 2 and x gets cancelled. So value of a nothing means it is 1. Okay, so a is 1, so k is also a square, therefore k will be 1, because square of 1 is 1 itself. Now adding 1 on both the side. Okay, so x square plus 2x plus 1, and over here also 5 plus 1. So this can be written as x plus 1 the whole square, and this is 6. Okay, now taking square root, I will have x plus 1, and over here plus or minus square root of 6, because 6 is not a perfect square. So the value of x is plus root 6 minus 1, or value of x is minus root 6 minus 1. Okay, got it? Okay, in the third question we have m square minus 5m is equal to minus 3. The very first step of ours is coefficient of m square should be 1. So is it 1? Yes, it is. Now you need to shift the constant part, and constant part is already shifted. We will directly use completing square method. Using completing square method, I will have m square minus 5m plus k is equal to, m square means it is m minus a the whole square. After adding k, it will be some perfect square. That is this completing square method. So m square minus 5m plus k is m square minus 2am plus a square. Here I told that a square is equal to k, or k is equal to a square. So m square, k, a square gets cancelled. We have minus 5m is equal to minus 2m. So m gets cancelled, minus m gets cancelled. 5 upon 2 is equal to a. Therefore k will be a square, that is 25 upon 4. So after this step, wherever I am using completing square method, one step above that, we have m square minus 5m plus 25 upon 4. Adding 25 upon 4 in left hand side as well as right hand side. Okay, so I am having m minus 25 square root is 5, 4 2 the whole square. Over here minus 12 plus 25 upon 4. Okay, so this is the perfect square, m minus 5 upon 2. Okay, and 25 minus 12 is 13 upon 4. Taking square root, so it is 13 upon 4. Now in the next step we have perfect square over here. Now taking square root, I can write m minus 5 upon 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 13 upon square root of 4 is 2. We have plus or minus, so m is equal to plus square root of 13 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2, minus 5 upon 2 is going that side and become plus 5 upon 2. Okay, we have plus or minus square root of 13 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2, where m can be written as plus square root of 13 plus 5 upon 2, or m is equal to minus square root of 13 plus 5 upon 2. Okay, m is equal to minus square root of 13 plus 5 upon 2. Okay, the next sum, the fourth one is 9y square minus 12y plus 2. Okay, so first of all, coefficient of y square should be 1. To bring 1 over here, I will divide by 9. Dividing by 9. So 9 upon 9 is 9y square upon 9. 12 upon 9y. 2 upon 9 is equal to 0. 9 cancel. We have y square. 3 4s are 3 3s are. We have 4 upon 3y plus 2 upon 9 is equal to 0. Okay, now we have a quadratic equation. Our first step is to shift the constant term. So we have y square minus 4 upon 3y is equal to minus 2 upon 9. Okay, now using completing square method, I will write y square minus 4 upon 3y plus k is equal to, as I have a minus sign, I will write y minus a the whole square, where a square is equal to k, or k is equal to a square. Okay, so y square minus 4 upon 3y plus k is equal to y square minus 2ay plus a square. So y square cancel, a and a square cancel, so I have minus 4 upon 3y is equal to minus 2 or 2ay. So minus minus cancel, y cancel. Okay, so this 4 upon 3, 2 will also come here and get divided. I will have the value of a. 2 1s are 2 2s are, so the value of a is 2 upon 3. Okay, therefore value of k is 4 upon 9. Okay, value of k is 4 upon 9. Now using completing square method, I will have y square minus 4 upon 3y. Okay, y square minus 4 upon 3y plus 4 upon 9. Okay, we have y square minus 4 upon 3y plus 4 upon 9. Okay, adding this 4 upon 9 this side, and what was there in the RHS? Minus 2 upon 9. So minus 2 upon 9 plus 4 upon 9. So adding 4 upon 9 on both the sides. So we have a perfect square over here. Y square will be written as y. 4 upon 3 is the square of 2 upon 3. 4 upon 9 is the square of 2 upon 3. And we have minus sign between them. So minus sign over here. The whole square. 9 same denominator. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. So taking square root. I will have y minus 2 upon 3. The whole square is equal to square root of 2 upon, what is the square root of 2 is 2, and what is the square root of 9? It is 3. Okay, so and taking square root, so we don't have the square form. So value of y is equal to, yes, don't forget to write plus minus, is equal to plus minus square root of 2 upon 3. Minus 2 will become plus 2 upon 3. So value of y is plus root 2 plus 2 upon 3. Y is equal to minus root 2 minus 2 upon 3. Okay. Okay. Now the next sum is 2y square plus 9y plus 10. First of all, you want coefficient as 2. So dividing by 2, so I will get 2y square upon 2 plus 9y upon 2 plus 10 upon 2 is equal to 0. 2 cancel, 2 1s are 2 5s are. We have y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now our first step is to send this 5 that side. So we have y square plus 9 upon 2y is equal to minus 5. Using completing square method, I will write y square plus 9 upon 2y plus k is equal to y minus a. Okay, the whole square. So y square plus 9 upon 2y plus k is y square minus 2ay plus a square. Minus y square cancel. Okay, k and a square are same as k is equal to a square. Okay, so we have 9 upon 2y is equal to minus 2ay. Okay, we will take plus sign over here. Okay, that was my mistake. As it was plus in the middle, we will take plus. So here also we have plus. Okay. So as we have plus sign over here, so y gets cancelled. 2 will come here and get divided. 9 upon 2 2s are 4 is equal to 8. Therefore k is equal to 9. Therefore 81 upon 16. Okay. So adding 81 upon 16 on both the side to this. Okay, so y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 81 upon 16, okay, is equal to minus 5 plus 81 upon 16. So this is a perfect square where y square is y, 81 upon 16 is 9 upon 4, okay, and plus sign between both of them, the whole square. Okay, now over here 16 5 is 80, so minus 80 plus 81 upon 16. So y plus 9 upon 4, the whole square is equal to 1 upon 16. Taking square root, so y plus 9 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 4, okay, plus or minus. So y is equal to plus or minus 1 upon 4 minus 9 upon 4. Y is equal to plus 1 minus 9 upon 4, or y is equal to minus 1 minus 9 upon 4. Y is equal to minus 8 upon 4. Y is equal to minus 10 upon 4. So y is equal to minus 2, or y is equal to minus 5 upon 2 after dividing by 2. Okay, so we have the value of y is minus 2 and y is equal to minus 5 upon 2. Okay, so this was the fifth sum. Okay, I have already written 6th sum over here. I will start with the 6th one. Okay, the 6th one is 5x square is equal to 4x plus 7. Okay, 5x square is equal to 4x plus 7. First of all, bring 4x over here because we want only constant term that side. Minus 4x is equal to 7. Now first of all we want 1 over here. Do we have 1? No. So dividing by 5. So 5x square upon 5 minus 4 upon 5 is equal to 7 upon 5. 5 get cancelled. We have x square minus 4 upon 5x is equal to 7 upon 5. Now using completing square method, we have x square minus 4 upon 5x plus k is equal to x minus a, the whole square. Why minus sign? Because it was minus sign over here. So now we have x square minus 4 upon 5x plus k is equal to x square minus 2ax plus a square. So x square cancel, ka square cancel, minus 4 upon 5x is equal to minus 2ax, minus cancel, x cancel. So we have 4 upon 5, these 2 will come here and get divided. We have the value of a. Again 2 ones are 2 twos are, so value of a is 2 upon 5. Then value of k will be 4 upon 25. Okay. Now we have this part, adding 4 upon 25 on both the sides. So we have x square minus 4 upon 5x plus 4 upon 25. Okay. And in the RHS, what is there in the RHS? 7 upon 5 plus 4 upon 25. So this will be x minus 4 upon 25 is 2 upon 5. Okay. The whole square is equal to bring the denominator same, I will multiply this by 5. So 25, we will get common denominator 25. Okay, I will just write one step for better understanding. 7 multiplied by 5, 5 multiplied by 5 plus 4 upon 25. Okay, so x minus 2 upon 5 the whole square is equal to, we have the same denominator 25, 7 5 are 35 plus 4, we have 39. So now taking square root, I have x minus 2 upon 5, 39 can be written as square root of 39 plus or minus upon square root of 25 is 5. Then the value of x will be plus or minus square root of 39 upon 5, minus will become plus 2 upon 5. So value of x is plus square root of 39 plus 2 upon 5, or x is equal to minus square root of 39 plus 2 upon 5. So we have this solution. Okay.